Okay, to get started on the brake pedal pad, you're just going to go ahead and grab onto it from the back side. You should feel it want to peel up and away from the actual metal part of the brake pedal. Go ahead and take that right off of there. We'll set it aside for recycling. Now it's going to be time to install our brand new brake pedal pad. Looking at the back side, what you're going to see is that there's a lip. Obviously, we need the metal part of the brake pedal to get inside of all of this lip. Generally, you'd start on one side, work its way over, and then just reach from the back side, kind of peel on it a little bit, and squeeze it over the top. There we are. Now for the brake pedal pad, you want to definitely make sure that it's completely secured. The last thing you want is for this to come popping off when you go to step on the brake pedal. Go ahead and pull on all the corners, make sure that it's secured. This feels perfect. Take it for a road test.